Hello guys! I now have a couch in my garage. The video is not about that, but I just wanted to show it off because I have a couch in my garage. But why we are here? It is already mid-October, so the winter is coming really quick and we need to start thinking about winter cars, winter beaters, and I actually have a car just for that. This is my E46 winter beater. I already showed it in my previous video, but in this video we need to check if everything is alright with the car. I don't know what this video will be, probably will be a short one because I believe it doesn't need much and I don't intend to do a lot on it because it is a winter beater. But still, we need to just quickly check over the suspension and clean mold from the interior that you likely just saw. Put in new battery, that should be it, hopefully. Let's see where this video takes us. I got some mold remover. It is not meant for cars, I don't care. And it has lemon aroma, I don't know. It smells like lemons. And I have some clean rags, so this should hopefully do it good enough. So let's quickly clean the interior and, I don't know, see what's next. See all that crap, that's all mold and we want to get rid of it. Okay, let's see if the cleaner actually works. So the cleaner actually works like a charm. The car does smell a lot like chemicals, lemony chemicals, but still looks beautiful. Okay, that's the rear seats done. Now let's try to do front. No more mold in here. All looks beautiful and clean. But now let's get the car up on the lift and see if car needs any technical fixes. Okay, what we can see from here. Somehow the spring has broke. You can see it in here. The spring is going way down there. Oh yeah. There is the rest of the spring. Yeah, that's bad. What we can see other than that in the suspension, oh, something else is completely gone. Should not have this much of play in the wheel. Oh, I'm not sure if the shock should be so easy to lift. Okay, and what is this? So it's not coming from the steering rack. It's the, what it's called, the lower control arm, I guess. That's gone. So let's check everything under the car. This is where it's moving. So usually it's simpler to do with two people. So one is moving the wheel like I did before, and then you can just press your finger in there and feel if it's moving there or maybe here. What else? The exhaust. This is scraping on the exhaust. Ooh. Brake lines are on their way out. Yeah, I guess the rest looks semi-okay under the car. So I'm not going to fix any of the rust. I don't care about it. There are no holes there, so that's fine. And actually under the car, it's not that bad, although there is no protective layer there anymore, so it probably will be bad in a year or two. But to be honest, I don't think this car will last that long. Okay, let's get the new parts and be back here in a few days to change them. Sorry if I sound a little bit weird now. I have a mic, but I need to use background noise cancelling because of the heater blower there. So I hope it will sound fine. I know there's still some background noise because with full noise cancelling it sounded actually really weird, but this will still probably be weird, but hope it will be fine and the background is not so much. But what I remembered, I have this. I have both sides from my previous donor car. It is a coupe, and because it is a coupe, I believe I will need to change shocks and springs on both sides because they probably will have different strengths. I don't really care if it's not meant for touring as long as it's approximately same on both sides. Should not be too much of trouble. Let's try WD-40 everywhere. All the bolts, every single bolt I can see gets a WD-40 put on it. Okay, let's change it. That's completely gone. Okay, so it might have bolts like this, you know, that it's rusted and the threads aren't that great. But of course I don't have a new bolt for this. So what I do here is just take my impact gun and take like a regular kitchen sponge with this rough part thingy. Put it around, and just like that, it looks almost brand new. And of course, remember copper paste. Always use copper paste. You will thank yourself when you need to take it off in 2 years. So now we can put it back together as it should be. Okay, side is finally done. The control arms changed, the shock is changed with the spring. I will change the shock and the spring on the other side as well, just so that they are the same. But that hopefully should be quick, easy and painless. Alright, this is going really well. The car is pretty much ready for winter. What else we need to do? We need to fix hood latches, because I don't want to close the hood now because something is not properly working there. Cable is a little bit messed up, and I actually ordered new parts for this, so that will come in a few days. Gonna be good. Let's fix the latch and we can be done with this for now. Alright, I bought a few parts. I have those locking things for hood. New cables, there are 3 cables there. Should be all we need to actually fix this. I could found these like used, but this whole set cost me 40 euros. So, well, while it is a winter beater and I don't intend to use a lot of money on it, but that's not a lot of money, like should have clear working proper system with all this installed. But before jumping into that, I also got another delivery, which is this, a Drift Games mystery bag. This is actually not the first mystery bag that I ordered from Drift Games. When they had their fire accident, they made together a support mystery bag and I participated in that. But I also recently made a new mystery bag and I already opened it, because my girlfriend forced me to. But yeah, I wanted to show you what's in such a mystery bag. It costs 150 euros and it is quite a lot, but it also is heavy and loaded with stuff. But of course, it is up to you to judge if it's worth it. For retail prices, probably is. Other than that, most likely not, otherwise they wouldn't sell these because they still need to make money on them. But either way, let's check what's inside. So, as I said, I already opened it previously, but still we can check what's inside. We have a shirt. Nice white t-shirt. I love white t-shirts. We have a, what it's called, jumper? I don't know. We also have a new banner. Oh, I love banners. Don't have any place where to put them, but I still love banners. Drift Games Clubhouse. Oh, we have... This was some pictures. Yep, that's all of them. Just some good looking prints. And this one, ooh, this looks cool. All kinds of smaller things. Keychain, Drift Games rubber coasters, Drift Games Clubhouse air freshener, magnet, another keychain. We have a sticker, a few more cool stickers, and I guess it's a bottle opener. And of course, you also get quite cool Drift Games bag. So this is what comes in a Drift Games mystery bag, at least in mine, in this one. It's a great way to support somebody and also get something in reward. Beautiful. Okay, I have decorated places, so I decided to move banners there. Don't have really that big of a space to put them properly horizontally. Oh, pictures are here. I think this looks pretty cool. Okay, we can finally now get back to the car and yeah, see if and how we can change those front hood latches, locks, whatever. Let's go. There are three parts of cables. One comes here. Next one is this one until the connector, and that one goes to the interior. I believe the interior one is fine, and I really don't want to take that one out because it's probably quite a mess. So I will probably leave this one original. And yeah, we'll see how that might happen. We'll probably need to take off this front section thingy. Yeah, see where it goes from there. Well, it's closed. That's good. Oh, pulled really easy. Are the both sides open? Yes! Okay, we have working hood latch. That's perfect. Now we can put it back together. Only remaining thing, I have to install new wiper blades. Before doing that, I will apply rain repellent on the windscreen. As it is a winter beater, usually, likely we'll see a lot of rain and snow and stuff. Okay, and that finishes off preparing the winter beater. Everything is fine. The suspension now is all in correct place. This car is done. Still have a month or a little bit more than a month for actual snow to come, so we'll continue sitting a little while, but I know at least that it is ready to go. But as a bonus fact, I actually did make another small purchase, which might change plans a little bit for this winter and maybe next year's drift season. Let me show it to you. Oh yeah, that is right. I bought another winterbeater.
We still the same ones. When it come to chats, we don't take none. Cheese, bad man Jamaican. Trinity global sensation. Mobbing till the day come, yeah, till the day come. Red, white, black flag, daddy gon' shake some. Green, yellow, black flag, rude gal shake some. We don't want no drama in this, so don't make none. Mobbing till
As
the
you
day
can see,
come.
it is BMW E60 5 Series, so not usually your go-to winterbeater car. I usually have E46s, E36s for winterbeaters. It already had some modifications done to be a winterbeater. It has hydraulic handbrake, it has welded diff. The engine is M54 B30, so 3-liter petrol engine. The car, of course, is a manual. Actually, it came as originally as automatic, but manual swap has been done previously. It will need some things done to it. It is really, really high, which is probably good for winter, but I just hate how it looks. So we also need to put on M bumper because I just loathe how it looks with this stock bumper. I just freaking hate them. Of course, it needs to change those really ugly grills. I don't know who and why put them in there. Kind of like 3 Series grills. They just look ugly. This car is pretty much already good to go for winter. Now I will have options on which car to choose for winter. So yeah, I hope you like this winterbeater video. It is still 1 or 2 months until winter, so we still have time. Yeah, please like and subscribe. I don't know if next video or a few videos after that will come video about this car. I need to wait for all the parts to arrive. But yeah, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.